In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create lists in FlutterFlow. We'll go through the full process of building a list visually in the FlutterFlow UI builder and then connecting that list to real data so it can display multiple records dynamically. This is a very useful pattern for things like product lists, customer records, messages, or any repeating content in your app. To begin, open FlutterFlow and navigate to the page where you want your list to appear in the UI builder. This gives you the canvas where you'll design the structure of the list and control how it behaves on the page. Next, from the Base Elements panel, drag a ListView widget onto your canvas. The ListView is the main widget used for displaying repeating items in a scrollable format, so this will serve as the foundation of your list. Once the ListView is on the page, adjust its axis property. If you want a standard top-to-bottom scrolling list, choose vertical. If you want items to scroll side to side in a row, choose horizontal. Picking the right axis early helps you design the layout more naturally. After that, drag a layout widget such as a row, container, or card directly inside the list view. This child widget becomes the visual template for each item in the list. In other words, whatever you place here will be repeated for every record your list displays. Inside that container, start adding the structural elements you want each item to include, such as text, images, or icons. This is where you shape the appearance of each list entry. A good tip here is to think of this section as one reusable card or row that will represent a single data item. Now it's time to choose the data source for your list. Select the list view from the widget tree so you're editing the list itself and not just one of its child elements. Then open the backend query tab in the properties panel on the right side. Click Add Query and choose Query Collection. From there, select the database collection you want to display and set the query type to List of Documents. This tells FlutterFlow that the list view should generate multiple items based on all matching documents in that collection. Click Confirm, and when FlutterFlow asks whether it should automatically generate sample children, click OK. This helps create placeholder structure so you can continue designing and connecting your content more easily. Finally, bind the fields dynamically. This means connecting your text, image, and icon elements to the actual fields coming from your collection. So each repeated item displays its own unique data, and that's how you create lists in FlutterFlow from layout to live data binding.